Wait. We're going over here to see each other. Over here. What the hell they're doing? Lennon. Say hi, Lennon. We got Lennon, Curtis, and me. Ow! How about you two? How about, I beg to...
How about your personal work?
I'm trying over a stick. Okay, anyways, Andy's way over there at the beach. But I am... Ow! There's another stick. Anyways. Run, Lennon, run. Lennon. Run, Lennon, run! Oh, Curtis, my sexy, cute... You lost your towel. Anyways. Down here in Galveston again. It is Thursday evening. And it's running out. I'm gonna run. Okay. Man, I'm so fucking tired of running. Go for it, Lennon! Hey! I can't record a video! You're running away from me. Yeah. There's Chavo. There's sand in my face. Ouch! I know. Hey, St. Curtis. Mwah! Those are the lips I love. Oh, look, it's the sky. And it's me. Help me up, Curtis. Okay, are you okay? Okay, good, we're good. Look at Galveston. I know. I'm gonna get back in the water. I feel like the hunchback of Notre Dame. We're digging for buried treasure! You got crabs? Damn, Chavo! Aussies. What? Ricky, what are you finding over here? Are you finding any buried treasure, Ricky? On the beach! So, Greg enjoys long walks on the beach. What do you enjoy, Chavo? Tacos! 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 Stop talking about tacos, you're gonna make me hungry. Get him, Ozzy! Get him! Get him! It's Ricky Butt! Oh. Bam! That wasn't supposed to happen. Anyways, it's just me here. I have fallen into the sand. I'm sinking in the quicksand. Oh shit, Curtis is running. Why is he running? I'm over here. Why is Curtis running away from me? Well, he's running into the campsite. I'm gonna bury myself in the sand and see who comes to find me like 20 years from now. When this document is, yeah. Anyways, very windy out today. Not much, I don't know.